Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 120. Get ready for the dictation. Start. The chairman. In moving. The adoption of the report and accounts. Dealing first with the accounts of the local holding company. Said it would be noted that the amount paid up on the shares was increased by francs 42560 or 3546. This was to keep pace with the increase in capital costs of the property, including extensions during recent years. Sundry creditors at £3,507 included £2,583 for Java income tax reserve, of which £1,666 appearing to the debit of profit and loss account was additional for the year. Besides, bonus due to the staff and some trade items. The outlay on capital account £3,714 included £2,746 for a new drying installation, smoke house, etc. The balance being for upkeep of the immature area. They had now a monthly capacity of £15,000. Sheet. The policy of the board being to increase their output of this quality to 50% of the estate's whole output, their, cash, assets, in London, and Java, amounted to £16,712, an increase of nearly £5,000. The crop was £4,49,000 as compared with the restricted crop of £2,30,473 in the preceding year, and against an estimate of £3,94,000, despite the fact that for the last 2 months of the year they were on a restricted basis. The average net selling price was a fraction under 1s1d against 1s 4.35d last year. Thanks, however, to a reduction from 1s 1.80d to 8.92d in the total costs. The net profit per pound was 4.02d or 11d above the previous year. It was largely owing to this reduction in costs that they had made a net profit of £8,843, over 12% on the issued capital. He thought the shareholders would agree that this was a pleasing result. Stop. Thank you.